In modern egg production, millions of eggs are produced daily in large-scale commercial farms that operate with remarkable efficiency. The process begins with the breeding and care of laying hens, which are housed in spacious, climate-controlled barns. These barns are equipped with automated systems that regulate temperature, lighting, and ventilation, ensuring the hens remain comfortable and productive. Hens are typically kept in groups, and each hen is provided with an environment designed to encourage laying eggs. The hen's diet is carefully controlled, providing them with a balanced mixture of grains, proteins, vitamins, and minerals to ensure they remain healthy and lay eggs consistently. Once the hens are mature, they begin laying eggs regularly. The timing of their egg-laying cycle is influenced by factors such as age, breed, and lighting. To optimize egg production, farms use artificial lighting systems to mimic longer days, which encourages hens to lay more frequently. In an ideal environment, hens can lay one egg per day, although some may lay eggs slightly less frequently depending on various factors. Egg collection is largely automated, with systems in place to gather eggs quickly after they are laid. As the hens lay their eggs in specially designed nesting areas, the eggs are gently rolled onto conveyor belts or into trays, where they are moved to a central collection area. Here, automated systems sort the eggs based on size and quality, ensuring that only the best eggs make it to market. Any eggs that are broken or otherwise damaged are separated out for use in other products, such as egg powder or liquid egg products. Once collected, the eggs are carefully inspected for any defects. High-tech cameras and sensors are used to detect cracks or imperfections in the shells. Any eggs that fail this inspection are removed from the production line and sent for further processing. Eggs that pass inspection are then cleaned to remove any dirt, feathers, or other debris. This is usually done through a series of gentle washing systems that use warm water and mild detergents. After cleaning, the eggs are dried to prevent bacterial growth, ensuring they remain safe for consumption. After cleaning and drying, the eggs are sorted into cartons. Modern egg farms use automated packaging systems that efficiently place eggs into cartons, labeling them with details such as the pack date, expiration date, and size. The eggs are then transported to refrigerated storage facilities, where they are kept at a constant cool temperature to preserve freshness. From the storage facilities, eggs are distributed to grocery stores, wholesalers, and food manufacturers, where they are sold to consumers. Throughout the entire process, attention to biosecurity is a key focus, with measures in place to protect the hens from disease and ensure that the eggs are safe for consumption. This includes regular testing, strict sanitation protocols, and vaccinations to prevent the spread of illness. In addition to the care of the hens, modern egg production facilities also focus on sustainability, with many farms using environmentally friendly practices such as waste recycling, water conservation, and energy-efficient technologies. By utilizing advanced technology and automation, modern egg farms are able to produce millions of eggs each day, meeting the demands of a growing population while ensuring that the eggs are of high quality and safe for consumers. Thanks for watching.